Hey everyone, Beth with Crafty Corner, and today we're going to make these baby monthly markers with Cricut Smart Vinyl. Let's get to it. The first thing we need to do is prepare our acrylic rounds. These are 4-inch rounds I got off of Amazon, and they come with this protective plastic sheet over it. So we can just use our weeder and peel back that protective layer. It is on both sides, so we're going to do one side at a time. Once we get that sheet off of there, we're going to go ahead and paint it. I just used some acrylic paint, put a little bit on our round here, and go ahead and give it a good painting. You can do the entire circle if you wanted to. I kind of like the look of this unfinished edge paintbrush kind of look, so I did not go all the way to the edge, but you definitely could. I kind of use the light to see how thick it is to make sure that, you know, it has a good coverage, and you could let it dry and do a few coats. I just kind of did it pretty thick. And we'll go ahead and do all of our rounds here. I let them dry overnight. I created all of these designs to fit on the 4-inch rounds. I will link to the project and design space in the description of this video if you'd like to use them. We will click on Make It, and we'll get to this screen where we see how it looks as it's going to be cut. Click on Continue, and it will look for my machine via Bluetooth. And we will select Smart Vinyl Permanent. Let's get our Smart Vinyl loaded into our machine. I am using the roll holder to make it a little bit easier. It will first check to make sure I have loaded enough material for our project, and then it will cut. When it is finished cutting, I can use the cutter portion of my roll holder here to make a nice clean edge for the next time I use this vinyl. I can remove the vinyl and begin weeding. I always start by removing the insides of letters and loops. I also make cuts with an X-Acto knife between each design so that while I'm weeding, it's actually smaller sections. We now want to remove the protective layer on the other side of the round. I will take my transfer tape and lay it over my design and burnish well with my mini scraper. Both the front and the back. I slowly remove the backing of the vinyl. I then place my design onto the circle where I want it. Again, I burnish it down. and then remove the transfer tape. And here's the last one. I actually used the same piece of transfer tape for the entire project. They are such a fun gift to give to an expecting mother. You can personalize it with colors and the look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, give us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe.